Okay, I'll just show you how to set the Sat Nav in this 2013 Hyundai ix35. So basically from any screen, if you click Nav there, that brings up the menu screen. If you just want it on map, if you just want to see what's coming up ahead, the map switch is there, but Nav there. So you've got address, last destinations in address book, points of interest and parking. So we want address. Down here you've got city, country, postcode. We'll click postcode. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR. It's defaulted to numbers straight away, so that's good. 54JS. PR54JS. So even though you've just typed it in, you've got to touch that, and you can now put a house number in, which we haven't got a number, but that's it. And then it's gone to another screen, and you've got start there or new search. So we'll click start. And start again.
Starting route guidance.
So it's got like a safety catch, start. You've got to press start twice. Anyway, it's a good system. It's simple enough to use.